2 Corinthians 10 begins with something unexpected. Paul addresses criticism. Some say he is bold in his letters, but weak in person. Strong from a distance, impressive on paper, unimposing face to face. The attack is not physical, it is mental. It is about perception, reputation, authority, image. This chapter is not about swords and shields. It is about thoughts and strongholds. Paul says, though we live in the world, we do not wage war as the world does. There is a war, but not the kind you can see. The weapons we fight with are not the weapons of the world. Not charisma, not manipulation, not intimidation, not clever argument alone. They have divine power to demolish strongholds. Strongholds are not buildings. They are patterns of thinking, beliefs hardened over time, assumptions that shape identity, arguments that resist truth. Paul continues, we demolish arguments and every pretension that sets itself up against the knowledge of God. Arguments, pretensions, ideas that elevate themselves above truth. The battlefield is the mind. Guard your mind. Because what you allow to settle there will eventually shape your life. Paul says, we take captive every thought to make it obedient to Christ. Every thought, not some, not only the obvious ones, every. That means not every thought is trustworthy. Some thoughts must be examined. Some must be confronted. Some must be arrested. Guarding your mind is not paranoia. It is discipline. Left unchecked, thoughts become beliefs. Beliefs become behaviors. Behaviors become strongholds. Paul's authority in this chapter is not self-protection. It is stewardship. He's not comparing himself to others. He refuses to measure himself by human standards. When they measure themselves by themselves and compare themselves with themselves, they are not wise. Comparison is another mental battlefield. Guard your mind from it. Paul knows his assignment. He stays within the sphere God gave him. He does not boast beyond measure. He does not exaggerate impact. He does not inflate success. Let the one who boasts boast in the Lord. Guard your mind from pride. Because pride builds strongholds just as quickly as fear does.